All right, here's one to make all Jamaicans proud. The Jamaican flag was placed at the top of the New York Stock Exchange building in the United States yesterday in honor of the Jamaica Stock Exchange and its successful performance over the past few years. Prime Minister Andrew Holness also noted that the JSE has performed exceptionally well over the last year and was voted the #1 stock market in the world in 2018. So it's a big deal to have your flag on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. I mean,
at the top.
At the top of the Wall Street thing, because, and it's, a lot of people will see this, and I know people are asking the question.
Yes, right. I was about to ask you because you know me. I've got to find out.
What that mean?
If we are doing so well with our stock exchange, why is it that our dollar seems to be plummeting? Please explain.
Well, I mean, a lot of people will have their questions about the dollar and the exchange rate. It's no longer a one-way thing. It's a two-way movement, the exchange rate. So it will go up, it will come back down. And I know people have their concerns, about, the dollar being at 140. They'll say a couple months ago it was at 120 something. But I suspect the way how the foreign exchange market is now, it will come back down. But there's a lot of factors that go into it. A lot of factors, and you'll have to. There's a thing called Finance Twitter, JA. They have a whole thread of things that they'll explain why the dollar is going up, what it means for you, what you need to do.
And when it's going to come down back.
In a sense.
Guys, look here. If you don't know nothing about stocks and bonds like me, I think now is the time. Young people, now is the time. Go, get into it.
And we've been using social media the wrong way. Now, there's so much public education out there. Like, you can't miss. There are forums, there are videos online that you can watch on YouTube to understand how to manage your money. So Finance Twitter JA, if you really want to know what's going on, you can check it out.
Get somebody who knows something about money to help you out if you don't. All right, next up, Chairman of Proven. Right, Christopher Williams has apologized for controversial remarks, allegedly controversial, where he linked a reduction in coffee consumption to the ability to purchase a house. He was speaking in relation to the new VIA complex at Braemar that will have a total of 99 apartments with mortgages starting from $130,000 for a studio apartment. He said, and I quote, "For $130,000 per month, you can buy one of these units. You know how much that is in terms of Starbucks? I've done my calculations, and that is 130 cafe lattes in a month. So if you drink 2 lattes a day, all you have to do is stop drinking 1, and you can afford a house at the VIA. So don't think it is unachievable." End quote.
His apology read, and I quote, "I wholeheartedly apologize to all those making tremendous sacrifices to achieve home ownership. I also wish to assure the owners and franchise operators of Starbucks that I meant no harm to their excellent brand and hereby withdraw the reference and unreservedly apologize to them as well."
Want me to go first?
End quote. Yeah, man, go ahead. Man.
All right.
Go ahead.
Here's the thing. Let me say it first.
Yeah.
I understand he's apologizing to Starbucks because he used Starbucks names. So I have to say, I never mean no negativity towards Starbucks. Come, I love Starbucks. Mind you, Starbucks is like an addiction. I have to ease off it. So big up yourself, Starbucks. So we're not saying nothing negative about you, right? But I think in essence, what the gentleman was trying to say, whatever your vice is that you spend extra money on, that you don't need to, not want to know, need to spend that extra money on, stop by one of those things or 2 of those things per month, and then put that money towards a mortgage, and then maybe you'll be able to achieve your home ownership a little faster. No, sorry, but me never think something wrong with what the man say.
I'm there with you, but you know what is wrong? Well, what is perceived to be wrong is because you use Starbucks. And Jamaica.
That's why I said. That's why I started off by saying what I said.
But people have to understand where Chris is coming from. In America, that's what they use. They use because Starbucks is an addiction for people. So they use the thing that you're addicted to, and everybody in America drinks Starbucks. So they say to own a car, this amount of Starbucks. Right. To own a apartment, this amount of Starbucks.
He could have just as easily removed the word Starbucks or
Starbucks.
Lattes and said to a pair of shoes.
But that's it,
Exactly. He could have removed it and said a pack of cigarettes. It doesn't matter what he put there. The fact of the matter is what he said was substantive.
No, it's not incorrect. It's just because he said Starbucks, nothing else. He could have said, stop buy all the shoes you go online and buy when you go.
Right, like Sakina, stop buying shoes. And then it would have been pointed at me. But I'm just saying.
Yeah, but
I don't think he
because
said
you know what the
anything
problem is, and even the ministry, I hope they're trying to fix it with the education system with PEP coming in, critical thinking.
Come on.
Seriously.
And them need for easy.
All right.
Like, everybody too touches these days.
Yeah,
I'm
you know,
sorry.
well, I mean, we're not drinking coffee anyway, so
Yeah.
I'm in on the host.
But big up yourself, Style.
I don't want to host yet.
What is your vice?
So by now, you've seen the
there
video
you go.
that surfaced with police and soldiers having to remove children from the Kahal Yahweh Church, where it was believed that members of the church were giving their underage children to elders for marriage and other adult-related activities that comes with being married. Well, the estranged wife of Omar Thompson, leader of the church, has corroborated allegations that the controversial religious sect has conducted child marriages. So it's all true.
Wow.
The probe by the police and welfare agency is deepened. I'm gonna tell you something. You know Jim Jones? You know
Yes.
the Jones something? It's the first thing that came to my mind.
Yeah.
The very first thing. And I'm saying to myself, people are ignorant to the fact that these things are happening in Jamaica, you know?
Yep.
But you just don't hear about it.
Yeah. And that hurts. Like when you think of having a child, even if you don't have a child, but if you're a parent and you think about something like that, my child is 7. They're sending 10-year-olds and 11-year-olds. Can you imagine
That's
a
crazy thing,
child a
man.
little older than Sam?
Crazy thing. I remember Ian Boyne, late Ian Boyne, did an interview. I think it was Religious Heart Talk, 2011 and 13, and he asked them, you know. But when you ask people like that what you're doing and what your practice is, they won't come out and say, "Oh, this is a cult," because cults don't even know that they're a cult sometimes. And for the people who are following them, why? I don't know.
Well, that is a mental thing, right? That's a mental thing. I think that is a choice that.
See, they said
Oh
one of
God.
the child that was
Why
removed
tell me that?
was 6
One of the
years old. That's
children
crazy.
removed was 6
Crazy.
years old. There is something wrong with a person who does not see that as being wrong. It has to be a mental issue. And again, I take it all back to where I say we don't pay attention to mental issues in this country as much as we should.
We don't. We just brush it aside. Brush it aside.
Okay.
Aye.
Yeah, that one is heavy for the morning. But we need to do something about it, right?
Yeah, man.
Next up, SSCO Event Management and the RGR Glena Communications Group have done it again. Restaurant Week will see another year of culinary excellence. The 15th staging will see for the first time a record number of 104 restaurants across 6 parishes, right up to the 17th. And Restaurant Week starts Monday coming.
Monday?
The 8th?
When is it? Yesterday.
8th? Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I'm so
Yeah,
sorry.
man, yesterday it
I don't
starts.
even know what date it is.
Yeah, it started yesterday.
the 8th.
I don't know where I passed yesterday. I say a bunch of people. It was about 9 o'clock, and a bunch of people. I said, "Me can't manage this
line up?
Yeah, me can't manage this Restaurant Week thing, man." I think it was, you know, where Devon House steak.
Yeah.
Chef. I can't remember chef name.
Oh, where were you last? Chefs Alex,
Alex,
the Great.
yeah, Alex.
How can you not big up yourself,
Alex. Yeah, but it's a bunch of people say about the place. I was like, me can't manage this crowd. Come and have great ice cream. Ice cream.
Where were you last
It's
night
ice cream,
eating ice
man.
cream? Why were you eating ice cream?
You know, we just need a ice cream. That's it for trending topics. That's it for trending topics. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. We have YouTube. We have YouTube.